Here I have POCO X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here on 3 lines, then go to the settings, and then go to the watermark. So you can add time stamp on photos and also device watermark. And now your watermark will look like this on every photo you take. So here you have device name, and here you have timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.